As you've seen and will continue to see throughout this video series, when it comes to being the best in practice, doctors and practice owners have important choices to make every single day. Trust me, I would know. My name is Dr. David Rice. Over the past year, doesn't it seem like everyone became an expert on PPE? The N95 respirator, for example, it became a household name. And you know what? That's great that the average person knows about all PPE options and the levels of safety they bring. But as dental professionals, we know a lot is riding on the educations we provide and the choices we make regarding our PPE. We're all aware of the current post-COVID climate, and the truth is, we don't know how long this new normal will last. Our teams need the proper face coverings to keep us protected. Now I know what you're gonna say. I hear it all the time. Can't I just wear a mask? Do I really need an N95? Well, there's a big difference between masks and respirators, and that difference is in the level of performance. N95 respirators provide maximum filtration and better protect against airborne diseases than masks. They should be your preferred choice, but, and this is important, it's not enough to simply don an N95 respirator. You need to make sure it actually fits you. See, for the respirator to truly protect you, there needs to be a tight seal between the respirator and the contours of the face. If there's no seal, then you may get contaminants leaking in. So fit testing is crucial for your safety, and it's also an OSHA requirement. Thankfully, our friends at Hugh Freedy Group have two different fit test kit options to help ensure your N95 respirator provides you the protection you need. Let's give it a try. There are two nebulizers, one for the sensitivity test and one for the actual fit test. Pour a small amount of the sensitivity solution into the corresponding nebulizer. Do the same for the fit test solution. First up is the sensitivity test. This is to assure that you can detect the taste of the test solution at very low levels. Next, put the hood forward without wearing a respirator. There should be about 6 inches between your face and the window. You should be breathing through your mouth. Use the nebulizer with the sensitivity test solution and inject the aerosol into the hood through the window hole. Squeeze the bulb 10 times and check if the taste of the solution can be detected. If so, take off the hood and wait a few minutes for the taste to clear. After properly donning your respirator, put the hood back on and breathe through your mouth. Use the nebulizer with the fit test solution and inject the aerosol into the hood with the same number of squeezes from the sensitivity test. You're going to perform a number of actions during this test. Breathing normally while standing and not talking. Take deep breaths, turn your head side to side, talk out loud slowly, and bend at the waist to touch your toes. If you taste the test agent at any point, stop the test and remove the hood. You'll need to adjust your respirator and try again until you can no longer taste the test solution. It's a quick and easy test to determine whether or not your N95 respirator creates that tight seal around your face. N95 respirators can give you that much needed peace of mind only if it is fitted correctly. This new normal won't last forever, but we're all here now. When we're inside our practices, the choices we make are everything. And the choices regarding our own safety, as well as the safety of our patients, should be the easiest of them all. My name is David Rice. Thanks so much for watching this edition of the Best in Practice video series presented by Hugh Freedy Group